Print on demand is one of the oldest make money with AI promises on the internet. Put an AI design on a t-shirt, and it sells while you sleep. Today, we're doing the honest version. The real tool for designs, the exact ideogram to Printify workflow, the maths on a single t-shirt sale, and why this is a numbers game most people quit far too early. No dream income screenshots, no Lamborghinis. Let's go. First, the ground rules. This channel does honesty, not hype. So, to be clear, we haven't run a print-on-demand shop ourselves. Every number in this video comes from the platform's own published prices and fees, and you can check each one yourself. And full disclosure, as always, some links in the description are affiliate links, including the Printify link. So if you sign up through them, the channel earns a small commission at no extra cost to you. So what actually is print on demand? You upload a design to a service like Printify and put it on products. T-shirts, mugs, posters, tote bags. When a customer orders, a printing partner prints that single item and ships it straight to them. You hold no stock, you buy nothing up front, and you keep the difference between the selling price and the base cost. That's the whole appeal. Now let's look at what that difference actually is. Here's the honest maths on one t-shirt. A decent quality shirt on Printify has a base cost of roughly £9 to £12 once printing is covered, and you might sell it for around £20. Then the marketplace takes its share. On Etsy, that's a small listing fee, a transaction fee of 6.5%, and payment processing on top. After all of that, a typical shirt leaves you £3 to £6 of actual profit. Real money. But you can already see why one design will never change your life. Now the design tool, and this is where AI earns its place, Ideogram. Most image generators still mangle lettering. Ideogram is the one that reliably gets words, slogans, and typography right, and words on products are exactly what sells in this game. The free tier gives you 10 slow credits a week, enough to test the whole idea. Though note that free tier images are public. The basic paid plan is around £6 a month, and that's the sensible upgrade once you're making designs every week. The workflow starts with a niche, not a design. Funny t-shirts is not a niche. It's a graveyard. You want one specific audience with an identity. Allotment gardeners, netball mums, retired engineers. Before you generate anything, search that niche on Etsy, sort by best-selling, and study the top 20 listings. You're not there to copy. You're there to learn what this audience already pays for. Then the designs, in Ideogram. Write prompts that name a style, vintage badge, minimalist line art, retro 70s type, and always put your exact wording in quotation marks. Generate plenty and keep few. Check the spelling letter by letter, because AI still slips. Then export at the highest quality and upscale to print resolution. For a shirt, roughly 4,500 pixels across, so it doesn't come out blurry. Next, Printify. The free plan is genuinely free. You pay nothing until something actually sells. Choose a product, upload your design, position it, and Printify generates the mock-up photos your listing will use. And one strong recommendation before you sell a single thing: order a sample of your own shirt. It costs you one base price, and it tells you exactly what your customer will receive. Now, where the buyers are. For a beginner, this mostly means Etsy, and Printify connects to it directly. Etsy brings you traffic no new website ever could, in exchange for the fees we covered and some genuinely brutal competition. You compete with the niche, not with volume of effort. Specific beats generic every single time. And write titles and tags the way your buyer actually searches, because on Etsy, search is the shop window. And now the part most videos skip. This is a numbers game. Most listings, ours, yours, everyone's, will sell absolutely nothing. The sellers who make print-on-demand work publish in volume, dozens of listings across a few niches, then double down wherever there's traction. Each listing is a lottery ticket where the odds improve as you learn the niche. but you still need a stack of tickets, and most people quit after buying 5. One more catch, and it's the legal one. No trademarked phrases, no film characters, no band names, no football clubs. Takedowns are real, and they can close your shop. Check the AI rules of the marketplace you sell on. Etsy asks you to be upfront about how your items are made. And read Ideogram's terms for commercial use on your plan. Boring? Yes. But the sellers still standing in a year are the ones who did the boring part. So what's realistic? Month 1. Quite possibly 0, while you learn the tools and build your first batch. A good early milestone is your first 10 sales. Call that £20 to £100 of profit. 6 months of steady publishing, with 50 to 100 well-targeted listings, can reach a few hundred a month. And some people will make nothing at all, usually the ones who stopped at 5 designs. It's not passive income, it's a publishing habit that compounds. If you want to start this weekend, here's the plan. Pick one niche you genuinely understand. Make 10 designs on Ideogram's free credits. Put them on one product type in Printify, list them on Etsy, and order one sample to check the quality. Total cost: one sample shirt and a couple of evenings. And within a month, you'll know whether your niche has a pulse. If you want the honest starting point, the free guide and the starter kit are linked in the description. Real routes, realistic prices, no guarantees. The Printify link is down there too. It's an affiliate link, and using it costs you nothing extra. Subscribe for the next build, and comment below. Which niche would you put on a t-shirt? We read every single one. See you in the next video.